How to download and install the Shein app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is exact same for the Android and iOS device. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Shein and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you're gonna find the option of install or you'll see this kind of arrow. You have to click on it. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Shein is a global fashion and lifestyle online retailer committed to making the beauty of fashion accessible to all. The fashion industry has always struggled to match supply and demand. Shein set out to solve this problem by building a new kind of fashion business model driven by its customers. Once completion of its download, you can launch it, log into your account, and use it. Well, this is how you can easily download Shein app on your device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.